Hello fellow coders, hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to give you a few exercises based on the previous videos. I hope that you would do it without taking any help, as at the last these videos are going to be beneficial for you guys only. So let's get started. Okay, now as you could see, I have already written a few statements over here. Now all you have to do is print these lines. Now in the first exercise you have to print this whole line. This is a double backslash. In the second one you have to print these combinations of backslashes and front slashes, and I hope that you could recall it from my videos, and then you might be able to do it with ease. And then the third one is this sentence. This is "he is awesome," and you have to get this thing as it is in the output without using manual spaces. Try to use, not try, actually you have to use escape sequences instead of manual spaces. And at the last, now maybe it is a bit difficult for you, but in the previous video I've already told you how you can combine different type of escape characters and then you can print them in the output. So you just have to print this whole thing as an output, and I will be leaving this file in the description, and you can access this file from there and then download it, and so that you would know what you have to work with. I will post a solution after this video. If you are somehow unable to do these exercises by yourself, you can refer to that video for the solution. That's it for now guys. Hope you all find this video helpful. Please leave a like below and share this video with your friends, and I'll see you very soon. Later.